The Russian cult of Gadget, Hackwrench. Aghori. Ordo, Templi, Orientis. Family International. Ralism. His cult was founded by Rail, a Frenchman who was both a cabaret singer and a race car driver before meeting an alien named Yahweh. The alien apparently came to Rail to tell him about the origin of mankind and offer him the service of several futuristic sex robots. So far, so good. Los Hermanos Hernandez. Los Hermanos Hernandez. The House of Yahweh. The House of Yahweh. Nuwaubianism. The Godfather of Matamoros. Cosmic people of light powers. Church of God with signs following. Scientology at minors. The Unification Church Mooneyism. Church of Bible Understanding. The Church of Bible Understanding, formerly known as the Forever Family, which is about 1,000,000 times better than their new name, is a destructive cult started in 1971 by former atheist and vacuum repairman Stuart Trail in Allentown, Pa. Trail teaches that he is the reincarnation of Elijah and knows the date of Christ's return. Members of the cult gave up to 90% of their income to the church, which Trail has used to purchase a $500,000 mansion. Aetherius Society. Cooperating with the gods from space reads the header of the Aetherius Society's official website, an unambiguous UFO cult whose modest American headquarters is stationed in Hollywood, of course. Full circle. In May 2014, 10 Things I Hate About You co-star Andrew Keegan began a new spiritual movement in Venice, CA called Full Circle. They've described their movement as advanced spiritualism, or the highest spiritualism founded on universal knowledge. They also enjoy ayahuasca, so you know they like to party. Fun fact, in May 2015, undercover ABC agents confiscated several containers of kombucha, that gross fermented mushroom tea your hippie friend likes, and cited the group for selling alcohol without a license. Another fun fact, kombucha has like 1% alcohol in it. Whether or not Full Circle is a harmless group of fame-warring New Age dorks, or something more sinister, is up for debate. For the time being, they seem to be as harmless as a junior high youth group.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.